What's up all, welcome again for another amazing video. In today's video we are going to be making or transforming this skeleton that you can see, or this bed frame. It's a box bed design frame and you can see it was wooden, so we are going to be transforming it or making it to a complete new bed. So walk with me till the end of the video so that we can fully understand all the steps and material used during the process. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if this is your first time clicking on our video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, All Things With Us. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, share with your friends and family. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also visit our channel, All Things With Us, and watch more of our content, because we have a variety of videos starting from transformations like this one, DIYs videos and makeovers videos. I'm hoping you will enjoy our content. Anyway, the first thing that we started doing with this bed frame was starting making the design and some measurements, and you can see now we are drilling some holes because the headboard is going to be a tufted one, and then the rest of the bed we are going to be covering it with a foam. So for the headboard we went with a 2-inch foam, that is for the tufting, and then the rest of the bed we used a 1/2-inch foam for covering before putting the fabric. And then the client wanted a gray fabric, but I'm sure you are going to be seeing it as the video progress. So these are the pieces that I've already cut them. This is the 1/2-inch foam that I told you, and we are going to be using this glue. This is a quick bond. It's a contact glue that we normally use to attach foams onto the frames. So now I've already applied on the side of the frame, as you can see. And now I'm going to be attaching the foam on it so that it can become more spongy and smooth. You will not feel the frame or the wooden part. So that is what I'm going to be doing. If this is the kind of content you do like or enjoy watching, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So keep watching the video, watch till the end, and I'll keep explaining one or two if I can, where I see fit to explain. And if you have any question, you can just comment and I will get back to you.